Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in South Africa. His childhood was not easy. His parents divorced when he was young, and he lived mainly with his father. Musk has spoken about being bullied at school and facing many difficulties while growing up. He believes these challenges helped him develop resilience and determination. In 1989, Musk left South Africa and later moved to North America to pursue higher education. He studied physics and economics and began a PhD program in physics in the United States, but left after only a short time to take advantage of the rapidly growing internet industry. Musk's first major success came with the online software company Zip2. After selling it, he helped create X.com, which later became PayPal. The sale of PayPal provided him with the capital to pursue his larger ambitions in space exploration, sustainable energy, and advanced technology. Musk is best known as the CEO of Tesla, which helped popularize electric vehicles worldwide. Tesla produces electric cars, battery systems, and energy products. The company has become one of the most valuable automotive and technology companies in the world. In 2002, Musk founded SpaceX with the goal of reducing the cost of space travel and eventually making life multi-planetary. SpaceX became the first private company to send a spacecraft to the International Space Station and has developed reusable rockets such as Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy. The company also operates Starlink, a global satellite internet network. Today, Musk is involved in several major ventures. These include XAI, which focuses on artificial intelligence, Neuralink, which develops brain implant technology, and the Boring Company, which works on tunnel transportation systems. As of June 2026, Musk is widely regarded as the richest person in the world. Following SpaceX's historic public offering, his estimated net worth exceeded $1 trillion, making him the first person ever reported to reach trillionaire status. Most of his wealth comes from his ownership stakes in SpaceX, Tesla, XAI, Neuralink, and the Boring Company. Elon Musk remains one of the most influential and controversial entrepreneurs of the modern era. His work in electric vehicles, space exploration, artificial intelligence, and advanced technology continues to shape industries around the world.